Morning everybody, and welcome back to Dan and Gary's Layout. And we're currently working, I'm currently working on this little Jinty from the Railway Children's set. And as you can see, someone's got a bit happy with the paint. So we are slowly but surely, gradually taking the paint off. A lot of patience, a little bit of time, well, quite a bit of time actually, just to do that little section on the front there. There's still some on there, but it is getting there. It's taken quite a while to do that, and all I'm using is a toothpick to try and pick it off and loosen it up with a little bit of Dettol on the old cotton wool buds, just to loosen it. The decals are pretty, I'm not sure if it's supposed to have a number on the back. I'm not sure, but it's just trying to get I've already done the one rib, or one band on the front of the engine here. I think that one needs doing, but it is coming slowly. It's in pretty good condition really. There's the chassis and the motor, that all runs fine. Well, it could do with a clean, but put some smoke in the smoke unit. And you can, not sure if you can see that, but it is puffing. So we'll give that a little clean. Just put her in reverse. Sorry, that was a bit fast. Didn't realise the controls was left on. Go. So that one's okay. Yeah, so we're just slowly trying to pick the paint off, and not sure how long it's going to take. I think we're going to be here a while, but hopefully it'll look alright. And then we'll use the plastic restorer on it just to get its shine back. But slowly and surely wins the race, I suppose. But thanks for watching. More coming soon. Bye for now.